Want to know the secret to making more money? Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or just getting started, these 10 powerful rules will help you build wealth and create financial freedom. So let's dive in. Rule number 1, understand the power of compound interest. One of the key strategies for building wealth is understanding how compound interest works. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can snowball into significant amounts over time due to the compounding effect. This principle applies to various investments, including savings accounts, stocks, and retirement funds. By letting your earnings generate more earnings, you create a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth accumulation. Rule number 2, create multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is risky. If something happens to that single stream, it can put you in financial jeopardy. To safeguard your financial future, build multiple income streams. These can come from a side business, freelance work, rental properties, investments, or dividend-paying stocks. Diversifying your income means you're not dependent on one source and can continue to grow your wealth even if one stream dries up. Rule number 3, invest in yourself. Your knowledge and skills are among your most valuable assets. The more you invest in your personal growth, the more opportunities you create for yourself to earn. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or self-study, constantly upgrading your skill set increases your value in the marketplace. People who continuously learn and adapt are more likely to succeed financially in the long run. Rule number 4, learn to manage risk. Taking risks is part of making money, but successful individuals know how to manage those risks. Whether you're investing in the stock market, starting a business, or launching a new project, always assess the potential downsides and plan accordingly. This doesn't mean avoiding risk altogether. It means being smart about the risks you take. When you're strategic, you can minimize losses while maximizing potential gains. Rule number 5, build a strong network. Success is often influenced by the people you surround yourself with. Building a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities you might not have discovered on your own. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and peers who are successful and motivated. These relationships can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and opportunities that significantly boost your income. Rule number 6, master the art of selling. Sales skills are crucial in almost every field. Whether you're selling products, services, or even ideas, knowing how to persuade others is key to making money. Learning how to communicate value effectively will help you close deals, win clients, and increase your income. Strong sales skills also help you negotiate better salaries, land higher-paying jobs, or grow your business. Rule number 7, be patient and consistent. Building wealth takes time and persistence. It's easy to get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. But the key is consistency. Stay focused on your long-term goals and keep taking small, steady steps toward them. Whether you're investing, growing a business, or developing a new skill, patience and consistency will eventually pay off. Success rarely happens overnight, but with perseverance, it will come. Rule number 8, leverage other people's money, OPM. One of the most effective ways to accelerate your financial growth is to use other people's money. Whether through loans, investment capital, or partnerships, leveraging OPM allows you to scale faster without putting all your own resources on the line. This is especially common in real estate investing, where investors use mortgages or private money to buy properties, build equity, and generate cash flow with little of their own capital at risk. Rule number 9, avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's easy to start spending more on luxuries and upgrading your lifestyle. However, Lifestyle inflation can quickly eat up any extra income you earn, leaving you no better off financially. Instead of increasing your spending as your income grows, focus on maintaining or even reducing your expenses. The more of your income you can save or invest, the faster you'll be able to build wealth. Rule number 10, provide value first. To make money, focus on giving value, whether through a business, service, or investment. The more value you provide to others, the more they'll be willing to pay for it. Solving problems, meeting needs, and improving lives are surefire ways to generate income. When you focus on how you can serve others and create value, financial rewards will naturally follow. By applying these 10 rules, you'll be better positioned to increase your income, build wealth, and create financial freedom. The journey to making money requires time, effort, and strategic thinking. But by focusing on these principles, you'll set yourself up for long-term success.